Students, let us continue with the concept relational algebra. In the previous video, I explained about the basic concept of the relational algebra. What is the relational algebra and how it is used in the database management system. Now, let us see what are the basic operations that are involved in the relational algebra. So, before going to know about the concept, you have to know about the operations that are relational algebra will used. So, the first one is a selection. So for selection, we use this operator. Okay. So the main use of this selection is to select a subset of rows from relation. So you have to be remember the main use of this operator. This operator will use only, it selects only the rows. Okay. This selection operator selects only the rows in the relation. So relation is nothing but a table. So a table consisting of rows and columns. So this operator will select only the rows. Next, coming to the next operator. So that is projection. So for projection, the symbol is pi. So this operator is used to means here it is used to select the rows, and whereas this projection operator used to select or choose, use it to choose all columns from relation. So whereas this sigma is for this rows, whereas pi is used for columns. It's to select columns. Okay, use it to choose all columns from the relation based on the condition. And also it deletes the unwanted columns based on the condition. Deletes unwanted columns from relation. And coming to the next operator, that is the cross product. So cross product is into. So what is the use of this cross product? This cross product allows us to combine two relations. Two relations means two tables. So if you take the two tables, so it just do the multiplication, just like a multiplication. So it combines two tables and give one table as a result. Okay. So the cross product allows us to combine two relations into one relation. And next one is set difference. Set difference. So the symbol operator we used is minus. So what is the use of the set difference? Set difference here are tuples in relation 1 but not in relation 2. What it mean? Tuples is nothing but rows. So the another name for the tuples is nothing but a rows. A rows in relation 1. So it just select the rows that are present in relation 1 only. So suppose if you take two tables, two relations R1, R2. So when we are performing operation R1 minus R2, you will get the result. You just select the tuples in R1 only. Okay. It's just select the tuples that are present in R1 but not in relation R2. So which are common, the common will be deleted, and the whatever it is there that are present in the R1, those will be selected. So that I will explain clearly while taking the example. So this is just a definition I am giving here. The selection, projection, cross product, set difference. Now next, coming to the union. So union. So what is the use of the union? Union is nothing but it selects the tuples in relation 1 and relation 2. So whereas a cross product, it just combining two relations, just multiply each row, each cell to the next relation. So just it gives it's combined two relation. Whereas a union, it just select the tuples, only the rows in relation 1 and relation 2. So these are the different basic operations that are used in the relational algebra. Thank you.